Welcome back to the ServiceNow item course. So far, we have explored the item overview and the item aligns with business goals. In this session, we will dive into one of the most critical foundation of item, the Configuration Management Database or CMDB. If the item is the brain of IT operations, then CMDB is the central nervous system. It stores, connects, and tracks everything in your IT environment, from server and application to cloud services and business services. In this video, we will cover the fundamentals of CMDB, its advantages, key capabilities, and the main classes used to structure data. Let's begin with basics. Configuration items. The CMDB stores configuration items or CIs. These are individual components like servers, routers, application, cloud resources, and more. Relationships and dependencies. CMDB does not just store items, it also records how they are connected, such as which application runs on which server or which services depends on which database. Then data integrity. A well-maintained CMDB ensures your data is accurate, up-to-date, and relevant. This helps prevent incorrect decision based on outdated or broken data. Then integration ready. CMDB integrates with ServiceNow modules like incident, change, and problem management. This ensures consistent and contextual information is available across the IT ecosystem. So why is the CMDB important? Accurate impact analysis. Before making a change, you can check what other systems or services may be affected. This reduces the risk of outage or failed changes. Faster incident resolution. When issue arise, the CMDB helps service desk team quickly pinpoint root cause by showing affected components and their relationships. Stronger compliance. Regulatory and audit requirements often need clear visibility of systems and their configuration. The CMDB provides this level of control. Then better decision making. From capacity planning to service improvement, having clean, connected data in the CMDB enables smarter IT and business decisions. So let's explore the CMDB on my personal developer instance. So this is my personal developer instance, and if we go to the core table of configuration items, so this is the table which contains all the configuration items of different classes like computers, software, and many other classes of configuration items. And this table is, you can say that, the core table of configuration items which contain all the classes. Like if we group by a class, you can see that there are different servers, application, cluster, and different things like network adapter, and there are different classes which are stored in the configuration item table. So if we open one of this, so it shows all the information of this computer, like this is the name of this computer, this is the ASIC tag, and this is the Lenovo. is the manufacturer of this laptop, and then asset and company, and then serial number, model ID, and assigned to. So it shows all the information, and then the configuration, like the operating system in this system is Windows XP Professional, and the RAM, CPU, all the information is available on this. So in this way, the CMDB stores the configuration item data and the information related to that configuration item. And capabilities of CMDB. The ServiceNow CMDB comes with powerful capabilities. Multi-source discovery. CMDB is populated by automated discovery tools and manual entry, allowing it to pull data from across your network, cloud, and external systems. Health dashboards. It includes dashboard that shows CMDB health based on completeness, correctness, and compliance of your CIs. Then data certification. You can schedule regular checks to validate the accuracy of data, ensuring things like ownership, location, or life cycle status are up to date. Then graph views and maps. You can visualize infrastructure and services using dependency views, business service maps, and relationship graphs, helping teams understand their environment better. CMDB main classes. The CMDB organizes data using classes and hierarchies. Base configuration items. This is the top level class in the CMDB hierarchy. All other CIs inherit from the core class. Then hardware class. This includes servers, network gear, and endpoints, anything that represent a physical device. Then application classes. These represent software, web apps, databases, and hosted services. They are often mapped to business services in ITOM. Then business services. These classes help connect IT components to actual business functions like email, payroll systems, or customer portals, making service mapping and impact analysis more effective. And that's our wrap on CMDB essentials. Today we explored that a CMDB is, how it works, and why it's crucial to successful ITOM operations. We also looked at its capabilities and how data is structured through CI classes. In the next video, we will dive deeper into how we populate and maintain the CMDB using discovery, CI relationships, reconciliation, and CMDB health. We will also explore how to troubleshoot common issues and improve data quality. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.